If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to configure your game for a smoother experience. Step 1. Optimize video settings. Go to the Minecraft main menu, click on Options, then Video Settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and set the smooth lighting to minimum. These changes can significantly reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. In the Minecraft launcher, click on Installations, select your profile, and click More Options. Find the JVM arguments section and change the XMZone-G to a higher value like XMX2G or XMX4G depending on your system's available RAM. This allows Minecraft to use more memory, which can help with performance. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve game performance. Use the Task Manager Control plus Shift plus S to see what is running and end tasks that are not needed. Step 5. Install performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine or Surgeon. These mods provide additional settings and optimizations that can help reduce stuttering and improve frame rates. Follow the installation instructions provided by the mod developers for the best results. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in Minecraft's performance and a reduction in frame stuttering. Enjoy your gaming experience.